It's not necessary to have a class set up first in order to use the template manager. You can create a template from scratch and apply that template to your own classes. And to do that, first of all, you'll have to be in your home page, and once you're there, you will want to go to this icon, which is the template icon. Click that one, and then you will choose Create a New Template, and click on Next. You'll have a list of templates that exist already, and at the top of the column you'll have Create from Scratch. That is what you're going to choose, and then you'll click Next. Your template will need a name, so you'll put the name in this field. And then you want a comment here to allow you to identify this easily sometime in the future. Then you'll want to set your calculation type. I can have cumulative or composite. And the number of report periods you'd like the template to be in effect for. And when you've got that done, choose Next. If you want to go back, you can click here to go back to the previous screen, or if you want to close this without saving the changes, click Close. Next will allow us to continue on in the process of creating the template. This opens the Add Unit screen, and the first thing you'll want to do is determine which report period you'd like this unit to be in. So you can do that here, Report Period 1, Report Period 2. And then you will add the unit by clicking Add. And that brings up the Add Template Unit window. And which report period? Well, this is going to be all, 1 or 2. You can take your choice, give it a name, and await. And when you're ready, you can click Submit. If you don't like what you have here, you can click on Reset to clear this information. You can do it again. Or if you just want to close the window without saving the changes, click Close. Well, I'm good with this, so I'm going to click Submit. And now if I want to add another unit, I can do that. Or I can click Close and carry on. If you wish to add a category, you'll need to choose the unit that you want to link that category to. So in this case, I would like to add a category to Nazi Germany. I'll click on Nazi Germany. You can see it's now selected because the drawer is open on the filing cabinet, and more importantly, category controls are now enabled. So I'll click on Add, and this opens the Add Template Category window for me. Currently, it wants to place this category into both units, but I just want it in Nazi Germany, so I'll change that. And I'll give it a name. So I have the Weimar Republic, and I need to weight this. It can be a weighted percentage or a total points. And I'll need to give this a weight. And when I have that done, if I'm happy with this, I can click Submit. If I don't like what I've got, I can click Reset to clear these fields, and I can start over. Or if I don't want to save what I've got, I can just close the window without saving by clicking Close. Well, I'm happy with this, so I'm going to click Submit. That submits my category for me, and now I can add another category if I wish, or if I've added all that I want at this point, I will just click upon Close. And here you can see I have the Weimar Republic category added to my Nazi Germany unit. The final step in creating your template would be to add the tasks to your categories. So to do that, you would go up here and click the Add Task button. This will open the Add Template Task window for you, and then you can enter the information required. You can double check your unit to make sure you are in the correct unit. You can check your category name to make sure you're in the correct category. Give your task a name. Give your task a due date. Click on the little calendar here. Brings up the calendar. Choose the due date that you wish. Weight your task. Give it a grade type, a numeric, an alpha, or both. And give it a mark out of. So this one would be out of 100 right now. It's a little high, so I'm going to make this on a 20 possible marks. If you wish to give the student extra credit, then you can choose that here, bonus grade. And if you're going to allow an extra grade, well then you can check this off, but it's not a good idea to be allowing a student to get extra credit. Details on the other side of the window are not applicable to us at the moment because we are not working with Home Logic. So when you are happy with what you have, you can click Submit. If you wish to make changes, you can click Reset, make the changes, or if you wish to close this window without accepting this task, click Close. So I'm going to click Submit. That gives me a new blank window which I can then add my next task to, and when I've got that completed, I click Submit. When I've added all the tasks I wish, then I click on Close, and we can see that the task has been added to the category. When you've completed your work, you'll click Close, and you'll get the notification that your template modification has been complete. You can accept that, and that will take you back to your home page.